How to remove Zengo wallet from your device securely. Are you guys facing issues to remove Zengo wallet from your device securely? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Before deleting Zengo app from your mobile device, make sure you have verified your email address to log in into your account. If you want to install the app again, if you have verified your email address, just simply hold the Zengo app for a second. Once you hold it, you can see the option for App Info, Desktop Shortcut and Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. Now again click on OK. After you click on OK, your app will be instantly deleted from your device. And that's it guys. That's how you're going to uninstall Zengo app from your device. If you guys have any issues regarding Zengo wallet, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.